Ever wondered how to make the perfect banana bread loaf at home? Well, it's easier than one might think, and today a secret recipe gets revealed. It's time to transform those overripe bananas into a delicious, moist and fluffy loaf of banana bread. In the culinary world, banana bread holds a special place. It's a warm, comforting treat, perfect for breakfast or an afternoon snack. The best part? It's simple to make, and the ingredients are probably already in your pantry. Begin by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, gather the ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of melted unsalted butter, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. The first step involves mashing the bananas. The riper they are, the easier they'll mash, and the sweeter your bread will be. Mash until the bananas are a lumpy liquid. Now add the sugar, eggs, and melted butter into the bananas. Stir until the ingredients are well combined. It's essential to incorporate these ingredients thoroughly as it forms the moist base of the banana bread. Next, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt. This dry mixture ensures that the baking soda distributes evenly through the bread, guaranteeing a uniform rise. Now, pour the dry mixture into the banana mixture. Add the vanilla extract. Mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as that could lead to a denser bread. Transfer the batter into a greased loaf pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. Slide the pan into the preheated oven and bake for about an hour. To check if the bread is done, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, the bread is ready. Once done, let the loaf cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then remove it and allow it to cool completely on a wire rack. And there you have it. A perfect loaf of homemade banana bread. It's a simple process really. Mash some bananas, add in the wet ingredients, whisk together the dry ingredients, combine the two, and bake until golden brown. Remember, patience is key when it comes to banana bread. Let it cool completely before slicing to get that perfect moist crumb. Now, with this recipe in hand, those overripe bananas will never go to waste again. Instead, they'll turn into a delicious treat that brings warmth and comfort to any day. So why not give it a try? After all, there's nothing quite like the smell of freshly baked banana bread wafting through the house. It's a scent that promises comfort, joy, and a delicious slice of homemade goodness. Happy baking!